Hey guys, welcome, and this is how to disable voiceover in iPhone. So, guys, if you are trying to unlock your iPhone using the voiceover, you could just simply go ahead and go for the menu. So, to do that, you could just simply go ahead and scroll to the top at the to do that, you could just simply go ahead and start from the bottom and swipe up and hold the slide up to here, and you should be able to have a vibration and you should be able to unlock your phone. Now, in order for you to go through the settings, you could just simply use three fingers to swipe through your home screen until you find the settings. So to do this, you just have to select the settings and you could just simply double tap it once you have selected it. And now just simply go ahead and navigate to the accessibility, to the voiceover, and you should be able to turn on and off the voiceover right over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.